Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable a track in DaVinci Resolve. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So as you can see here, I have 3 tracks on my timeline. I have a subtitle video and also audio. So let's say I want to go ahead and disable the track for the subtitle. It's very easy to do. All I have to do is just hover over that particular track and you will see that it shows disable subtitle track, and I can simply click on that and disable that subtitle track. Right? If you want to do the same for the video, you can also disable the video track as well, and you will realize that once you disable a track, it no longer shows on the timeline. So in case you're working on subtitles and you want to have 2 different variations, or you want to do something like that, you can easily go ahead and do. So for the subtitle, you can disable the track. For the video, you can disable the track, or in terms of the audio, you won't be able to disable the track, but you can mute it. So if you look on it, you will see that there's an option for mute, so you're able to mute this track as well. So once you click on mute, you realize that the track is mute and the video will not play with that audio once you're trying to play that. And that's it guys, that's how to disable tracks in DaVinci Resolve 19. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.